Hello guys and welcome to my video tutorial number 9 on PHP, and in this video we're going to talk about constants. Okay, so constants are basically predefined, they work like variables. Okay, so we can say pretty much that they are predefined variables that hold a default value in it, okay, or a function. So I'm in php.net here. You can go to the same page where I am now. Type php.net/manual/en/language.constants.predefined.php, and you'll have here magic constants. You'll have here a list of constants that you can use by default. They all have by default a value stored in it, okay, and they all they are used to do something specific. Okay, you can read the description here of each constant and what they do. So I'm going to give you a little example of how constants work. And as I told you before, constants basically are and work the same as variables. Okay, they hold a value, and then we can echo that constant, okay, if we want to, and we will output a value or the value in it. So let's type. We can type or we can build new constants if we want to. Okay, so let's define a new constant. And to start, we have to type the word define, okay? And parentheses, open and close parentheses, and end the line with semicolon. And inside the parentheses, let's type double quotes. And now let's type, let's give the name to the constant, okay? So here we define the name we want to give to the constant. I'm gonna call it Peter, okay, comma, and now we define whatever value we want to give to that constant, okay? So you see that basically works like a variable, okay? So now I want the constant Peter to have the value of the string hello Peter. Okay, so this is the name of the constant, and this is the value that the constant holds. Okay, so now we have a defined constant called Peter, and for example, I want to echo now the constant Peter, so I type echo, and now I type Peter without double quotes and semicolon. Let's save this and let's run this to see if it works, and it works. Okay, hello Peter. So what's the difference between constants and variables? Okay, because until now pretty much it's the same, right? So the difference is that once we define a constant, in this case Peter, with the string hello Peter, we cannot later on in the code redefine that same value. Okay, we cannot change the value of Peter. The value, once it's defined, it's always going to be that value, okay, and cannot be changed later on in the code. So for example, if now I want to redefine the constant Peter to some other string like hi, and I echo Peter, let's see what happens. Refresh, and we have an error saying constant Peter already defined. in line 6. Let's see if it's true. In line 6, it's the error, okay? The Peter constant is already defined in line 4. And we have a result here, which is hello Peter, which is the first time we defined the constant Peter, the first value we gave it. Okay, so you see, we cannot change, once we define for the first time, we cannot change later on the code Peter, the constant Peter again. And that's the difference with variables. Because variables, I want to show you an example. We can change variables or redefine the value of variables later on in the code. If we had a variable name u equals, let's put the same thing, Peter equals hello world. Now I echo Peter world. There it is, hello world. And now I want to redefine Peter again with some other string, hi, and see if the result is hi, and it is. Okay, so a variable, you can change a variable whenever you want the value of it. Okay, and the constant you cannot. Okay, so let's see if we can change some. We can change the third time. And let's type Peter. Let's refresh. There it is. Okay, so you can change the value of a variable every time you want and anywhere you want in the code. Okay, so that's it. That's it for this video. You can now know what constants are and how they work. But if you want to go deeper in the subject, you can search more in the php.net or w3schools.com. Okay, guys? If you have any questions at all, just send me a message. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.